Hi guys! So for today's video, magre-react tayo ulit doon sa panibagong video, yung second version ni Lenny sa Asuka Makeup Challenge na trending guys. So magre-react tayo guys. Hmm?
सनननन सन सनननन जरी 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 पवन सन सनननन सन सनननन जरी 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 पवन
Oh? Wow! Ang ganda guys ng damit niya. I love color red talaga naman. Gusto ko talaga yung red. Favorite ko yun. Favorite color ko yung red. Unilet. Galing. Very nice. So, yun guys. And nakita niyo naman diba? Ang galing niya guys. So, thank you guys. Please like and share this video guys. Kung hindi ka pa follow sa akin, please follow and comment down below guys. So thank you so much guys.